In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open free Google Workspace account. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see and make sure you understand why each choice matters so you can get your account set up smoothly on the free trial. Before you begin, have a working email address you can access right away. And if you already own a domain name for your business, keep that handy. First, go to the official Google Workspace website. On the homepage, look for the option that says Start Free Trial and click it. This begins the sign-up process without immediate payment, giving you time to explore features like professional email, Drive, Meet, and more. You'll be asked to type your business name. This can be your company name or a personal brand if you're just starting out. Don't overthink it. You can refine branding later, but it should be something you recognize and plan to use. Next, click on Number of Employees, including you, and choose what fits. If you're a solo user, select the option for one person. This helps Google tailor the initial setup. Click. Next to continue. Now, add your first name, last name, and a current email address you can access right away. This email will receive important confirmations and setup details, so double check there are no typos before moving ahead. When prompted for how you want to set up email, click on Setup. Using your existing domain if you already own a domain and want addresses like you@yourdomain.com. If you don't own a domain yet and want a branded email, you can instead click Get a new custom domain to buy one through Google. Buying a domain is optional and has a separate cost. Choosing an existing domain lets you proceed without that purchase. Continue by clicking. Continue with this method to confirm your choice. Enter your existing domain. Type it in plain form like example.com without HTTP or www. Should be a domain you control, since you'll later verify ownership by updating DNS records with your domain provider. Having access to your domain registrar account will make that step faster. Click. Next to move forward. That's it for the initial account creation. From here, you'll be guided through the admin console to finish setup, including domain verification, creating your primary Workspace user, and configuring email. Keep an eye on your inbox for any confirmation messages, and remember that the free trial has a time limit. If you decide not to continue, set a reminder to review billing before the trial ends. Enjoy exploring Google Workspace and getting your professional tools up and running.